Explore the future of emergency response with these innovative vehicles designed to handle any crisis with advanced technology. MedTech Autonomous Ambulance ensures rapid medical response with advanced diagnostics and automated care systems. Ultra Rescue is designed for rapid deployment in disaster zones with cutting-edge technology and drone support. FireGuard enhances firefighting with drones for real-time surveillance. Disaster X serves as a mobile command hub with advanced communication and mapping technologies. MedRescue adapts to both land and water environments, providing medical aid in diverse and challenging conditions. Rescue Air provides rapid high-altitude evacuations with advanced navigation and medical facilities for emergency situations. Rescue Wave tackles flood emergencies with cutting-edge water management and floating capabilities for effective response. MedPilot delivers rapid medical transport with cutting-edge life support technology and AI-driven traffic management. Disaster Pulse provides essential power and energy solutions in disaster areas with a focus on sustainability. Rescue Rover excels in urban emergency scenarios with advanced navigation and search and rescue capabilities. Stay tuned for more futuristic concepts and subscribe for the latest episodes.